Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. Just making a quick frame section video. I try to do them with my frames and tubs just because they're a little harder to see. This is obviously just the front half or 3/4 of the frame, I would say. Does not have the rear section in it. I may be listing a rear section. I'll have to see if that's what you're looking for. And then I do have a couple of full frames as well. So it's got obviously some surface rust on it, but the black you see on the inside rail there, majority of up front on my dog there, is factory paint. So it's solid. I mean, there's no rot in it anywhere. It's got a little scaling on the outside, but very minor. A wire brush would go a long ways. Sandblasting would be even more, go further even on it. You know, these things like to rot out in the front of them. This is a solid frame up front. As you can see, there's no cracks or rot. Rot is kind of the important part of these guys. So it's one thing to wire a frame down before sand or glass. Get out of the way, Gunny. Move, Gunnison. Sounds rock sometimes, but anyway, those are all your mounts for your belly pan. Nothing broke off, everything's fine on that, so those will thread back in nice, and then coming up to the front of it. So questions, comments, concerns, let's see, those holes are good there. This one looks like it needs to be pulled still. Usually they get stuck on these rivets right here, so a good pry bar and that should come right off, and whatnot. So anyway, lastly, this is a later CJ7 frame. You can put it on an early one. The difference is, as you can probably see, it doesn't have any of the shock mounts or anything because those are removable on these. They'll unbolt. If you have a 76, 77, 78, one of the early ones, you have welded on shock mounts. Again, they interchange, but it is something to be aware about because you will need shock mounts on this if you have an early one. We sell them, we have them in stock, so it's not a big deal. So again, 303-666-9020. You can take a look at the yard. Everything else we're putting up, a lot of this stuff's already listed. So, and yeah, jeepsunlimited.net. You can view this frame or other frames like it. If you just type in frames in the search bar at the top, and it should pull up pretty much everything we have listed right now. So sometimes we don't have a chance to list it, so still call if you don't see what you're looking for. Thank you.